everyone, today we will learn what is Soft Assert. So first of all we will understand that what is Soft Assert, then we will do it practically. So if any validation fail, it will continue the rest of the script, and once script completes, then it fails the test. The execution will not stop in between even if single validation failed. It means when you run a program, and if any of the tests failed in between, it will not terminate the program. It will keep on running uh, till the execution will till the execution is not completed, and then it will show that this test is failed, this test is passed. It will not terminate if any of the single test is failed. Okay, whereas in the hard assert, it will get terminated immediately if any of the test is failed. Okay. So we will do it practically and we'll understand it more clearly. Then we will understand it more clearly. Okay. So let's start. First of all, I will create a class and give the name as Soft Assert Demo. So here I will write @test just over here, import this, write Soft Assert equals to name. So over here you will get an import option. Just import this, and now write assert dot select this assert equal actual value and expected value. So suppose the actual value is XYZ and the expected value is ABC. I know this will fail because the actual is different and expected is different. And after that write assertion dot assert equal assert all, sorry. So if you will not write this assertion dot assert equal, it will not act as a soft assert. Here we will write SYSO test completed. Why I am writing this here? Because I will get to know that even if it fails, yes, of course it will get failed because here it is ABC and here it is ABT. So it will move to the next step and execute this. If it will be a hard assert, it will not execute this. In soft assert, it will not terminate the program in between even if the test fails. So we will run this. So you can see the output. Here it is mentioned that the test failed, but here even if the test failed, here the test completed is printed. So this is what the soft assert is. It will execute even if the test failed. It will not terminate the program in between. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to watch my upcoming videos.